In this video, we're going to take a look at how we solve a common problem of a countertop at 36 inches and a pizza oven installation that needs to be at 44 inches. We do this by using our round riser pizza oven stand. This riser stand is usually about 8 inches tall and will get the oven to a comfortable working height. The first thing we do with any project is lay out the correct location for the riser stand. Once the stand is located, we drill anchor holes. This will prevent the frame from moving, give a solid connection to the base. Once the frame is mounted, we can install the outer jacket. Then the insulating board. Finally, we can start setting the oven hearth. This oven's going to have a plaster finish. We like to call this the Adobe finish. I'm going to show you how we prepare the oven, and it could be anybody's oven, but this is how we do it for a plaster finish. All contact surfaces are pre-moistened with water before applying the mortar. When assembling the Milano oven, start with the front door section and work yourself around the oven in a clockwise fashion. Assembly usually takes about an hour or less. Once the oven is assembled, we will cover the whole oven with heavy-duty aluminum foil. This foil will act as a slip barrier as well as a waterproofing layer. Once the oven is insulated, we secure the insulating material by strapping it to the base of the oven. All that's left is to connect your chimney system. All that awaits now is the magic touch from a local plaster. You will cover the dome with heavy-duty chicken wire and apply a plaster finish. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. We'll keep you in tune with all the new projects coming out of Wildwood.